हम तो उड़ गए उड़ गए उड़ गए.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is our day 3 in Jaisalmer. We are checking out from this hotel, Jaye, and we will be staying in a desert camp tonight. And we are leaving our room like this. Looks like a dead body. And we won't be here to capture the reactions. Okay, bye. Okay, so we are now in Kuldhara village. क्या बोलते हैं भैया? क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
इसको झेरना बोलते हैं, झेरना। मारवाड़ में झेरना बोलते हैं।
छाछ बनाते हैं इससे?
छाछ, इसका मक्खन उतारते हैं, छाछ दूध दही का ऐसे ऐसे मक्खन उतारते हैं। मक्खन का घी बनता।
क्या ये?
बैलगाड़ी है भाई।
कब की है बैलगाड़ी?
बैलगाड़ी जब उन्होंने गांव छोड़ा था ना, तब की यहीं के छोड़ के गए।
और 19th सेंचुरी से गांव खाली है, तो एक आइडिया लगा ले कब से पड़ी हुई है यहाँ पे। बैलगाड़ी का बैल अंदर लग गया।
And now we are leaving Kuldhara. Let's see where next we are going.
A few inches later.
Okay, this is going to be our home for the rest of the day and for tonight. And this is Vinayak Desert Camp. This is how the tent looks in the inside.
In your way, 'cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake.
15 minutes later.
انت معلم واحنا منك نتعلم. انت معلم واحنا منك نتعلم. نسكت وانت موجود ما نرضى نتكلم. نسكت وانت موجود ما نرضى نتكلم.
तो हम लोग अब वापस अपने टेंट आ चुके हैं, तो बाहर एक प्रोग्राम हो रहा है एंड लेट्स हैव अ लुक व्हाट इज़ दैट प्रोग्राम.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
And now they are having Gujarati EDM night, and I think it's our time to have dinner.
गुजरात का प्रीवी.
And yes, Gujarati EDM night. Have a look. क्या क्या भैया?
बटर पनीर है, मिक्स वेज है। पूरा बोल दो। तो बटर पनीर मिक्स वेज, ये बेसन गट्टा करी है, और ये दाल है, ये राइस, ये गाजर हलवा, ये चूरमा, बाटी, रोटी और पापड़.
And this is how the dinner looks like. खाना बहुत अच्छा है.
अच्छा, कैसा लगा? बहुत अच्छा. और प्रोग्राम वगैरह.
This is my third ball of gajar ka halwa. Third ball of gajar ka halwa. This is so damn good.
Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall